Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 8 to the power x. This is equal to 48. So what is the value of x? Now before we dive into the solution, I kindly ask you to like this video so that it can be able to be recommended to other viewers. So solution to this, we have 8 to the power x. This is equal to 48. To solve for the value of x here, we introduce the natural logarithm, that is log 8 to the power x on both sides, so that you'll have log 48 here. So log 8 to the power x, this is in the form of log 8 to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 8 to the power x becomes x log 8. This is equal to log 48. So let's divide both sides by log 8 so that now we simplify here. So here we'll have x, this is equal to log 48 divided by log 8. The next step from here, let's express 48 basically as 8 multiplied by 6. So here we'll have x, this is equal to log 8 multiplied by 6, all this divided by log 8. The next step here, log 8 times 6, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have x is equal to log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 6 divided by log 8. So here we simplify here, log 8 and log 8 simplifies, so that we'll have here x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 6 divided by log 8. So now here we have x is equal to 1 plus log 6 divided by log 8. Now from here, we can express 6 as 2 times 3, and we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So substituting this here, x is equal to 1 plus, now here we have log, this is 2 times 3 divided by log 8, which is the same thing as log 2 to the power 3. Now here we have x is equal to 1 plus log 2 times 3. Again, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then here you have log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3 plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3. The next step from here, we'll have x equal to 1 plus, now here we have log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Now applying the power rule property, this becomes 3 log 2 plus, this is log 3 divided by 2 log, that is 3 log 2. Now log 2 and log 2 here simplifies, so x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 3 plus, now here we have log 3 divided by 3 log 2. So now here we have 1 plus 1/3, and this implies that this is the same thing as 4 over 3 plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. The next step here, log 3 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then we are going to establish that x is equal to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2. So let's proceed. We have x is equal to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2, which you can express as 1 over 3 into the parentheses here. We have 4 plus log 3 to base 2. Now, this is actually the value of x. This is the value of x. Now, from here, let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. So let's verify this. Now, if you recall here, we end at 8 to power x. This should give us a value of 48. Substituting here the value of x, this means that we'll have 8 to power 1 over 3 into the parentheses here, 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 48. The next step here, we can express 8 basically as 2 to power 3. Substituting this, here we have 2 to power 3 multiplying by a third into the parentheses 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 48. Now let's simplify here. 3 and 3 simplifies. So you will have 2 to power 4 plus. So this implies that 3 and 3 simplifies here. So you have 2 to power 4 plus. Now we have log 3 to base 2. They should give us a value of 48. The next step here, 2 to power 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which you can express as 8 to power n multiplying by 8 to power m. So applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 2 to power 4 times 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 48. The next step from here, 2 to power 4, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 16. So here we have 16 multiplying by 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. And that means that 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this is the same thing as 3. Let's substitute the value of 3 here. So you will have 16 times 3. This should give us a value of 48. So 16 times 3, this is 48, which is equal to 48. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this implies that the value of x, which is 1 over 3 into the parentheses 4 plus log 3 to base 2 actually satisfies the equation. So kindly like this video, please like this video and subscribe.